Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining the channel, my name is KK, aka Kiss the Keto Cook. So guys, it is about 6 a.m. here on the East Coast. I am getting my day started, and I wanted to share with you guys, I found this delicious keto coffee on Amazon, kind of by mistake because I love shopping around for keto products, but it is basically a bulletproof coffee, all in one. So here's the front of it. This is the hazelnut flavor, super delicious. And let me show you guys the ingredients like I always do. So it's basically all the things you put into your bulletproof coffee. It does have some xanthan gum. You guys can Google that, but that's pretty much it. And what you do here is you add 2 tablespoons to an 8-ounce cup of hot water. This is 2 tablespoons. And you just mix it. This is super delicious and convenient. They do have other flavors. And voila, that is it. So I wanted to share it with my friends. You guys can go on Amazon and check it out. So yeah, this is it, guys. It's super delicious. It's creamy. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys have a good day.